Hello, my name is Ezekiel Bambolo Jr. I'm an author and speaker. I'm also the creator and founder of this family legacy community. You see, on every side, the family is currently hit with a variety of challenges, be it domestic abuse, a higher divorce rate than ever, our values are being trampled upon, and yes, it sometimes seems like insurmountable odds. But that is why we exist, because it is in these moments that the stories are made and told of great legends and heroes. And I believe you and I have a great opportunity to do just that and restore to its prominence the importance of the family in our midst. I'll give you a quick example that exemplifies greatly what we stand for. The story is told of David, King David in the Bible, of a time when his descendants, both of those that were desirable in following his ways, his thoughts, his legacy, and those that were evil in the sight of God and chose not to follow his legacy. Yet, God blessed both his descendants because of David's faithfulness and his legacy before God. That is in essence why we exist at this community. We want an opportunity to grow together, to learn, to make sure that we are putting in place the most powerful vehicle to restore and rebuild the family that any can imagine, harbored in the implementation of successful family legacy. At this site, feel free to find resources, video, audio, and written, beginning with our Successful Family Legacy Seminar that allows you to go through 6 phases to learn exactly the importance of implementing a very successful family legacy. You'll also find our monthly conference calls, at which time you can ask questions of me and all other experts that we will bring on board. You will also find that we have a community for dialogue, allowing you to discuss, to pose questions, be encouraged by others' failures and successes. More importantly, let's together leave a legacy that our children will live proudly and healthily, regardless of the distractions that we face. Welcome to this community. We look forward to growth for a long time with you. Again, I am Ezekiel. Please let me know of any concerns or questions you may have. Welcome